Hi everyone, this is Thomas from What Thomas Says Media. I am a photographer that's based in Central Florida, and I am doing a unboxing of the Rode Wireless Mute microphone system. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me grow. So I went with this system because I wanted to have something new and upgrade to my existing Rode Wireless set. I have the Rode Wireless Go 1 and I have a white set. I wanted to have black as well, just to give a different option for my look and stuff when I content create. And also this wireless meet set is like so cool because the receiver also doubles as a transmitter. So it's an actual microphone on that. So once you mount it on a device, like a camera, your subject can have a microphone and you can actually speak and be recorded as well, because the microphone is going to be pointing towards you once you mount it to a cold shoe, which is going to be absolutely amazing. But anyways, when you first open the package, it has the wireless mix accessories in there, and it's basically the same stuff you get that's common with your Rode wireless microphones. It just depends on the compatibility, because obviously they're all going to have different things. Since this one's compatible with just about every device, it has every kind of hookup you can think of. Here is the manual and regulatory and safety guide for all of the accessories. As you see, I put them all on the table. Here's the guide when it's open, just tells you a little bit more about the compatibility and all the real big specs on them. So here are the wind muffs, much better than the Rode Wireless Go. My original wireless Go 1s do not lock onto my boxes, so they fall off all the time. Super annoying, super expensive, especially if you're outside and you don't have any wind muffs. These are lifesavers, so I'm glad that they lock on here, so I won't be losing these. Here's the first setup. This one is just for cameras and other devices that don't have the smartphone capability as far as the plug-in part. And the difference between that one and this other one, obviously, are colors, which is great because then you don't mix them up. But the gray and black is like for smartphones and other compatible devices. They also have 3 rings on the gray part that lets you know that's for a smartphone. Here's the tape that you can put on your receiver and transmitter to stop the glare. It's like a matte finish, so it helps being out in the sunlight. Here is one of the hookups that you can use for a device that has USB-C to USB-C, which I'm doing now with my iPad. And there is one also for Lightning, so you can use Lightning to USB-C. So if you have an older iPhone like I do, you can plug it to your iPhone and to the receiver, which the receiver has a USB-C. So those are all of the different types of accessories, and here is the magnetic piece. You actually can put that on the back of your receiver and then just clip it to a shirt, so it's not clipped to the top of a shirt and being distracting. So that is one thing that I don't have with my wireless Go 1 microphone. Here's the pouch. This pouch is the same size as the wireless Go 1, and everything will fit in there. Now I know I have seen pods and cases and stuff that you can put all this in, which I'm gonna do one of those next. I'm gonna buy one of those from Amazon this week, and I'll do a review on that and show you how everything fits and looks in there. Here's another owner's guide. This one has a guide for the actual microphones, and sorry, it's upside down, but this is the regulatory and safety guide for the actual microphones, so you can read that at your discretion. I won't, because I already have them, so I pretty much know how they work. And last but not least, what we are here for are the actual microphones, which are the same physical size as the Rode Wireless 1 ones. They have plastic on them to show that they're new, obviously, and then they also show on there like RX is for receiver, TX is for transmitter, just so you know. And even if you forget that, on the back of the microphone, the actual sticker part shows you what it goes to. So like right here, it says TX is a transmitter, you put that on your subject. The other one has like a camera on it, so you know you put it on your device or your recording device or such. So that's pretty much how they come out of the box, and then you can attach those wind muffs to them to cancel the wind. I just keep mine on there all the time because sometimes you're in situations you don't even know that it's windy until you go to listen to your audio or whatever after the fact. So I just play it safe. And plus, microphones have that look, so I just feel like it's a cool look anyways, and it looks professional. So, but yeah, here is the TX that tells you that's the transmitter, and that's basically the paper that goes on it. So you could put those stickers I showed you a few minutes ago on there to stop the glare while that is clipped to your subject. So yeah, and here is the receiver, and same thing as the other one. So yeah, I am very happy with this. I will be doing another review with it, obviously with some audio soon. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow this channel and get some more content to you. Thank you all for watching.